Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to make the tea from you know what is kind of leaf of I got acorn leaf. I'm gonna try to see the tea, how to taste the leaf tea, right? If the fruit, acorn fruit nut you can eat, that means you can make the tea by this leaf too. So I'm gonna go ahead get started, make the tea and taste. See how to taste, right? Let's go start it, guys. Okay, let's go start it. I put the water by half part of the small part right here. Try and see what happened. Okay, how to taste. But I believe so. But it tastes good, just like an acorn. So they say acorn benefits all kind of thing. The way I Google it and read that, they say fix the joint and pain where you heard it. You know, fixing stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the tea of this leaf. Okay, let's let them cook for 10 minutes at least. Okay, this tea leaf right here looking good. Look at golden look. Oh my god, I cannot wait to taste. It look good. So 10 minutes already done. So I think that's enough. Let me take it off from here. Turn it off. I'm gonna go ahead and filter this to this part right here. Yeah. Looking nice and golden. Can't wait to taste. Alright. Look at this, nice, huh? Beautiful color, golden color. If this tea tastes good, guys, I say that this is my favorite tea. But let me taste how it tastes anyway. When I eat the fruit nut, the nut, they take bitter. Alright, let's how the tea looks so good, right? That tea looks golden brown. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to taste. See how it tastes. I'm gonna taste right now. Okay, let's go taste it. See how this look. Tastes good. Tastes just like you know, the acorn nuts. Oh wow, it tastes so good, guys. Tastes nice and smooth and tastes so good, just like a tea the way you want it. Oh my god, I love this. I love this tea, acorn leaf tea, guys. You don't believe it. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, this is, you know, the tea in front of your backyard, in your own backyard. Nobody know anything. Maybe somebody know, maybe I don't, but this is first time for me. And I love this guy. I love this, okay? I love that. And look, I tell my husband pick up for me yesterday and he did. This is I gotta clean up, put in the refrigerator. Look at the corn, acorn nut, guy. He picked up acorn nut for me too. Look at that. This is so good, you know, benefits. It's benefit for our body because anything you need. I heard they say have this vitamin 12, vitamin B8, B10, like zinc, everything, you know, and I'm so exciting. So, you know, the main important thing, I love the tea leaf right here. Okay guys, I'm gonna share with you, okay, because it's just something I never know before. I didn't know anything about this until I see the squirrel eat this fruit nut right here. You know, I see squirrel. I sit there on the park, right? He come pick up the nut on the side of I sit, and this nut right here drop, hit my head. I say, this nut, it look like we can eat, and I say look like something I know, but I don't know. I said let me take it home, and then I Google. I look and I see acorn nut is good for you, everything. Oh my god! And let me make the tea. Let me make the tea, and I did. Okay, guys. This is make me so happy and exciting. I don't know anybody know. I'm gonna look more and more. Anybody else know how to drink this acorn tea leaf by me or not? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. But I'm gonna go ahead keep drink this one because I love it. Drink when they're hot. It's so good. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Acorn tea, guys. How beautiful the acorn tea look nice and golden brown, guys. This is acorn nut right here. It's like look like a chestnut, look like a nut. It is nut, but I boiled another day. I eat. I love it, and I tell my husband go get the leaf so I can make the tea. And he got it for me right here. Wow, he got it for me, guys. And then I make the tea. It tastes so good. I love it. Love the tea so much, guys. This is the jackpot. Everything free. No have to pay for nothing. It's free tea.